Well, it's recording. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully something. I don't know if it's working. Pretty fun. I hope it's recording. Flashing a weird ass blue light, bro. Oh no. Wait, we can go right. Oh, that's dangerous. Hey man.
Left or right?
I was gonna go right. Can I do that?
No.
No.
Stay.
Okay.
Stay.
Okay.
Do not move.
Yep.
They're both turning right. I'm going to hold on to them.
Oh, those are not good words. Well, that was fun. It's a bit of a shitbox. Yeah. This is the whip! Oh no, I just lost the keys. There's a little Miku there, there's a Miku there, there's a dude there. The STI shift knob from Japan. This thing sucks ass. I hate it. The Bluetooth, like, never works. And like the buttons don't even work. There's another Miku here that looks like she's from Evangelion, which is pretty cool. Steering wheel moves, you know. Silver plating, so cool. I like that. It's fucking in shambles, bro. Look at this shit. So jank. Like, paint fade. The wheels are super nice though. So nice, although they have CV Gunko all over them. They're like genuine Japan work wheels. And they're nice! Fit me. Yeah. Yeah. Really bad. Shitty ass wing. It's pretty fun.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah. Look out. What do you think you're doing, mate?
I'm trying to park here, can't you see that?
I'm leaving.
Huh?
I'm leaving.
Alright.
Do you need to
Get
go
out of my
to
way, cunt.
Do you need to go to Coles?
Yeah, I want a drink.
Ah. Cool beans. Oh, it's crunchy. Yes, son. This is epic. Yaki diesel.
1 hour later.
Oh my god, we're going. No way. Holy shit, that's a big ass machine. Oh, it smells bad. Jesus. Oh yeah. Spin that bitch. Oh, too late. Bingo bongo. That's how it's done. Oh, I'm crushing the food.